Hey girls and drag queens. It is I, the queen of inconsistency here. Ooh. And today we're just gonna be doing some makeup. How I start off my drag looks, I don't use primer. I don't use any of that because I hate myself essentially. I should use some sort of form of primer, but I don't have the time or money to look for that. But the way I do my eyebrows, I go ahead and like clean them off with some alcohol, just like rubbing alcohol to remove the oils off my eyebrows. What I use to cover my eyebrows is a simple little, can you see? Purple, disappearing purple, and some setting powder. I hope you can see that. I don't know. Oh, I just go ahead and I just go to town, you know. I'm gonna do a like full brow cover up usually for the type of looks that I do. I leave like 90% of my eyebrow, but this time around I'm gonna fully cover them up. If you have really bushy eyebrows, I wouldn't recommend because I've never used it, but I've heard spirit glue, I think it's called. I think that works best for the girlies out there that do drag. If you're just trying to like cover your eyebrows just for recreational purposes, this should come in handy. Oh, you just want to, flick up. I don't like to use a spoolie or anything like that. You'll see the technique that I do. I'm really giving a tutorial out here, so you better pay attention to this because I'm putting in the effort. So from here, we just want to flick up. And do you see how they're already laying? They're already laying down. I don't know if you're supposed to do it like this. This is how I do it and it works for me. It lays them down pretty good. If it's clumpy like that, it's 100% okay. We're not doing this to prove anyone our worth. It's 100% okay if you have like a little clump. It's okay. It's okay. We don't all do drag as a profession. Neither do I, so. I'm gonna try setting in between. I usually do like 2 or 3 coats of the glue. I don't usually like my eyebrows being this cakey. But yeah, you just want to let them dry a little bit. I cleaned off like the excess. Ready for this? Okay, that wasn't too bad. Last time... Okay, I'm being dramatic. Last time I attempted doing this, some of the hairs got stuck on this little puff. And I had a horrible experience. So we're doing 10 times better. Okay. These are the professional girls do it. I'm going to go ahead and do this eyebrow off camera and then I'll be RB. Wow, look at me being like profesh. Okay, so now that our eyebrows are set and looking semi-decently, I would say, from here on, I'm just going to use some foundation to attempt to cover them. Make sure they're like dry. Once again, if you're going to use this as a tutorial, do it at your own risk. I'm not a professional yet. So this is the foundation that I use. You can find this at any freaking CVS, Walgreens, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. It's everywhere in the US and hopefully in the entire world. It's from Maybelline. It's a Fit Me. It's in the shade Casper. I don't know if you can see that. It's Ivory 115. Once again, I don't know why the girls like to know all this information, but they do, so I just take a beauty blender and just go to town. So yeah, you just pretty much go to town. Not this. Why does that always happen? Like, as if I already didn't look white enough. Jesus Christ. Texture-wise, you can't see it. Oh, wow. We love that for her. Yeah, we've had a very long and very extensive journey regarding our drag makeup. Let's just say we all have our humble beginnings. I've had my humble beginnings era. I don't even know if I should disclaim this because I know I'm gonna make the girls mad. The way I started doing my drag makeup, whatever that is, was through acrylic paint. Everyone remembers because I used to post about this on my stories. Everyone was like upset and telling me to get makeup, but at the time I was like closeted as fuck. I was like very closeted to the point where I couldn't afford. No, I can afford makeup. I was just scared to go to the CVS or the Walgreens. It just, I got older. I got over it and I went and got some foundation. But before that, I used to use just plain acrylic makeup. No, acrylic paint, not even makeup. Stuff that goes on canvases. You see that back there? That I used to put on my face. I think my skin hasn't recovered from that personally, but it taught me to. Well, I didn't really learn anything from it. It was my little humble beginnings era, Once you look this pasty and white, we're gonna try to do some contouring. You'll see, but firstly, we're gonna do our eyebrows. So let me just finish doing this and then I'll be right back. We're gonna be attempting like a small thin eyebrow. Emphasis on attempt. I don't usually go for this type of eyebrow, but I see all the TikTok girls and the Instagram baddies doing it right now, and I want to be part of the chat. So let me attempt to do it. Okay, girl, calm down. We're gonna just do this. Damn! Look at Mona Lisa. Hold on. I look like her, huh? Okay. Then we do that on the other eye and hope we don't fuck up and they look similar. Okay. Oh! This is the aesthetic, okay? This is the moment. How beautiful am I? I fucking hate myself and I love myself at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna set them, I'm gonna conceal them, and then we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I have never done my eyebrows like this. What the fuck? Why is this kind of a little serve? A little serve for the YouTube girls. You know what I'm saying? So next part in this awesome and cute 90s chola tutorial is to go into this black shade. It's an off-brand palette because I can't afford the real thing. It's called Da Vinci. Has the colors that I need. I got it off Amazon, so yeah, deal with it. Into that dark shade. And we're just gonna go in the outer edge of our eye. Notice how my eye is already black because I already tried this in the afternoon, and wow, I do love myself. I love myself a lot. I look so good. The girls can't tell me otherwise. Do you want to extend it really far back? Just to get that snatched up look? You know what I'm talking about. You see the girls on TikTok do this. I don't have to explain shit to you. So we have this black, and I'm going to go in with, I'm in between blue or hot pink. They're this teal color or this pink. I don't know. I might go with the pink. Yeah, I'll go with the pink for the girls. I'm going to go in to this pink era. I didn't even clean off my brush, so that's pretty fun. And then I just want to go in right about here. You know what? Let me try to do this off camera because I don't want to mess up. I don't know if it's just me, but one of my eyes is like more hooded than the other. I don't know if that's a thing. But yeah, this is what I've done so far. I essentially just went into the pink colors of this palette. This. I try to make like a gradient, you know. And yeah, I'm gonna cut the crease and then I'm gonna do some white crease for the drag queens tonight, you know. I think it's nice. I think it's nice to do stuff. I'm just gonna cut the crease. I don't know. It's bothering me how they're not the same. Is it just me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama. Am I the villain? Yes. I don't know. Why is it doing that? I guess. We'll go with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I ran out of topics to talk about. And also, it's like kind of late at night. And right after I finished filming this, I'm going to wash this off and go to bed. So, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and try to like speed this up a little bit. So, you've seen what I've done. It's not the best, but it could honestly be way worse. I'm just going to do some eyeliner. And then I'm going to come back and do the rest of my face. And then I'll like show you, I guess. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. I think this is pretty much done. Eye makeup wise. I still have to do the rest of my face. Okay, here's the issue. Every time I try to like conceal and contour and do all that, I just end up looking extremely cakey. I don't know if it's because of the products that I'm using. I'm just remembering I'm supposed to be naming my products. I have this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Edward from Twilight. That's the thing I use to do my cut crease. So I'm not gonna use that because I already like the way like my foundation looks. So I'm just gonna go in with this LA Colors what is this called? Contour stick. And I'm gonna try to like contour my pig nose. Let's just see how we do this, okay? I'm gonna try to do this portion on camera just to see if I can like Yep. This is what a drag queen looks like. You know, I don't think I did this properly. I'm gonna try to give myself a cheekbone, wherever that is. It's right here, so I love myself. It doesn't even match one bit, so that's pretty awesome. I guess it could have been worse. Okay, let me try to blend this out, and then like I'll be back to do my lips. Okay, so once we look like this, it's a little patchy, but it could honestly be worse. So we're very thankful for that. I'm gonna try to attempt to fix this contour situation. Girl, oh my god, not this. So I'm gonna try to use some eyeshadows because I don't have any contour. The least thing I have is this, and that didn't really seem to do anything for me. So I'm gonna just go into these like shades and use this brush, and then like press it like this. You know, I'm a girl on a budget, so try to give myself like a little. You know what I'm trying to do. The illusion is there. This is the best that I've looked for a YouTube video. I'm just saying. Last time I tried to do a Valentine's Day like makeup tutorial thing, and I ended up looking extremely cakey. Honestly, oh my god. It's progression. You know, we're getting there with the products that I have. We're working miracles here in this little channel of mine. I'm gonna try to add some like rosy cheeks. I'll see how that looks. But yeah, next step is lips. So let me zoom you in for that. Okay, now that you look like Ronald McDonald, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is lips. I'm gonna go in with a black lipstick anyways, so we're just gonna try to outline and give ourselves new lips. So I have like very ugly lips. We're gonna try to fix that. The way I do that is go like this, and then I go like this, and then I go, oh, oh my god, I fucked up. Like that. It looks like I have a mustache. Okay, so now that I've done, oh my god, that, I'm gonna go in with this black lipstick. I don't know the brand. I don't know the name. I got it at the mall at Sephora. Haha, yes. And notice how we gave ourselves new lips. Ah! So from here on, I'm just gonna add a little mole. I'm gonna put on lashes. I'm gonna do my hair, and then we're gonna come back for the final reveal and give our final thoughts. Okay? Okay. Do you see how everything came along so perfectly well? Like I'm giving you very like Y2K goth, like alternative. You know. I'm giving you one of those girls, which is what I wanted. This is probably one of my favorite looks that I've done. I'm gonna do this way more often, to be honest, because it looks pretty good. And yeah, that's pretty much this video done. If you recreate this in any way, or if you even enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps my channel. Also, like, comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. And like, let me know if you want to see me do more like tutorials like this, because I really had fun doing it. And yeah, this is pretty much this video done. If you do recreate this look, tag me and like show me, because like that would be really cool. But yeah, anyways, this is the final look. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take some pics for IG, go to bed, edit this video, and yeah, that's it. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others around you, and keep on dreaming, and have a blessed night, day, or wherever in this earth you may be. Okay, peace out.